Alright, so what are we doing this morning, Joe?
We're going for a bit of spear, eh?
Yeah, it's bloody nice weather.
Yeah, wear my good hat, there we go.
Yes, the bloody awesome hat.
Checks my neck.
Yeah, and you look really cool too. I'm gonna go have a look at the water. So it's looking pretty good, pretty glassy. There's a little bit of wind, tiny little bit of a maybe a southerly or a westerly. So it should be a bloody awesome day. Good fun. It's gonna be really nice not having hair too. 25 metres here, so you probably won't be doing anything too deep.
Yeah, I'm not warmed up enough to dive that deep. Oi, Joe, did you see that massive hammerhead shark? Holy shit, that's cool. Woo! Well, if he's 37 and that hammerhead was about 370. Wow. Oh.
I think that's not going to look very good on the camera, but wow, I've never seen surgeonfish behave like this before. That's crazy. Wow, look at them. Check it out. I've not seen them do that before. Normally they sit a few metres down. I've not seen them busting up on the surface like that. Pretty cool. Quickly give you a little tour of our boat. It's called the SS No Viz. This is the boat that we found underwater and we've fixed up. So this is starting with the beautiful center console. This is aftermarket, of course. This doesn't work, but it's still cool. This works, but not in the way that we really want it to work. For example, DC outlets is the one for the sounder. So yeah, it's a bit of quirky fun. Coming down further, we've got a bit of custom cabinet work done by Lucas. This is actually probably one of the best features of the boat. A little bit of a storage area, got all our essential safety stuff there. Got little charging ports, another latch. The reason that we did these is because it was just busted open. This was basically hanging upside down when we found it. Got some gun racks here. And over there, in the back here, we've got our fuel tank, 2 fuel tanks. There's a spare one as well, which I don't think we'll need, but always good to have a spare. On the back, we've got our motor. This is the only thing that's pretty much new on the boat. I'll show you also something pretty cool. It's our transom plate that we made up ourselves. It's made up of epoxy because the aluminium underneath was cracking, was pitted, and so we basically made up a custom epoxy panel to go on top of it. Seemed to hold pretty well. Like we go pretty fast in this thing for a little boat. So get a lot of questions about the collar. It really helps to make the boat stable. I'll show you how stable it makes it. This is me standing on the side of the boat, and this is only a 4 metre boat. Would not be able to do this without a collar. How do you like this spot, Joe?
This is an awesome spot. First dive.
Yeah.
First dive. Beautiful little gold spot.
Yep, nice, perfect size.
Yeah.
Show us your other fish.
Exactly. I measured them. They're exactly the same size.
Yeah.
A couple of purple huskies.
Yep, they don't get much bigger than that. And there's a lot of smaller ones down there, so it's tricky, but there's some good sized ones.
I had to stalk him. I had to put a lot of effort into stalking
Yeah,
him.
well, I filmed it.
Yeah, I know. It's
Yeah.
awesome.
I couldn't believe how long you held your breath for. And I saw it go under that ledge and I thought, oh, I don't know if he's going to know that it went under the ledge.
No, there was a lot of smaller ones there as well. Like,
Yeah.
And I was like, no. And then him, I'm like, okay, yeah, that's all right.
It's definitely Tusky Town, eh?
Yeah, there was loads